Ever wondered if your favorite budgeting app, Pocketguard, can actually talk to your credit cards? It's a question many of us have when we're trying to get a real grip on our finances. We're all looking for that seamless, holistic view of our money, and for many, credit cards are a significant part of the financial landscape. They offer convenience, rewards, and sometimes, a little too much temptation. So, if Pocketguard is designed to help you see where your money goes and where you can save, does it extend its reach to those plastic powerhouses in your wallet? Let's be honest, managing credit cards can feel like a full-time job. Remembering due dates, tracking spending, avoiding over-limit fees, it's a lot to juggle. And that's where the appeal of an app like Pocketguard comes in. It promises to simplify, to automate, to give you clarity. But its effectiveness hinges on its ability to pull in all your financial data, not just some of it. If it can't link to your credit cards, then you're still left with a significant blind spot in your budget. You'd have to manually input every credit card transaction, which defeats the entire purpose of using an automated budgeting tool. That's not just inconvenient, it's a major roadblock to truly understanding your spending habits and making informed financial decisions. So, let's get right to it. Does Pocketguard link to credit cards? The answer, unequivocally, is yes. Pocketguard is designed to connect to a wide array of financial institutions, and that includes the vast majority of banks and credit card companies. When you set up your Pocketguard account, one of the primary steps is linking your financial accounts. This isn't limited to just your checking or savings accounts, it extends to your investment accounts, loans, and, crucially, your credit cards. This comprehensive linking is what allows Pocketguard to provide that all-in-one financial snapshot it's so well known for. Once linked, Pocketguard automatically imports your credit card transactions. This is where the magic really happens. You'll see every purchase, every payment, every fee, all categorized and neatly presented within the app. This automated tracking eliminates the need for manual data entry, saving you time and drastically reducing the chance of errors. No more digging through statements or trying to remember what you bought last week. Pocketguard brings it all into one place. Beyond just tracking transactions, linking your credit cards to Pocketguard unlocks a suite of powerful features. You'll be able to see your current credit card balances at a glance, helping you stay on top of your debt. The app can analyze your spending habits on each card, identifying categories where you might be overspending. It can also help you track your credit utilization, a key factor in your credit score. Furthermore, by integrating your credit card data with your other financial accounts, Pocketguard can provide a more accurate picture of your overall money available or in my pocket figure, factoring in your credit card debt and upcoming payments. This holistic view is essential for effective budgeting and financial planning. In essence, Pocketguard's ability to link with your credit cards transforms it from a simple spending tracker into a robust personal finance manager. It empowers you to not only see where your money is going but also to make proactive decisions about your credit card usage and debt management. This integration is paramount for anyone serious about gaining control over their entire financial life. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.